I will tell you a secret. I'm really lazy to brush my teeth. Not only me, many of my friends too. Because brushing is not only so fun. What if brushing is going to be a great fun? Now I feel like brushing always because I got a new friend. Colgate Magic Brush. You want to see this? Okay, I will unbox it for you. Wow, beautiful, right? This is our brush and this is magic connector. This is mobile stand. My name is Angela. I'm 5 years old.
Add the toothpaste to your toothbrush. Hold still. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
You can see the cavity monster. We have to kill the monster by brushing our teeth. So we can earn diamonds. With that diamond, we can unlock new mask. This is parental dashboard. Here, parents can see time, duration, and progress of brushing. teacher replace it with a new brush. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.